Hi there, this is Ranjit, and in this video, let's have a look at this Atl Extreme box. And I've been actually using this for the last 3 weeks, and this is a special kind of a box. This combines the DTH with a smart TV box. So in that way, I like this one, and as I've told you, I've been using this one. And according to Airtel, I was browsing their website. They say that you have access to about 10,000 movies, and again, it has Google Play Store, so access to about 5,000 apps and stuff. So let's have a closer look. But it comes in this box, as you can see, and it says it has Google Assistant. Obviously, it runs over Android, so you get this box and remote. I'll show you, and I like the fact that it has access to almost all the popular OTT apps like Netflix, Amazon Prime, Z5, YouTube. You also have get subscription to this Atl Extreme app, and obviously you have Google Play, and also I could install popular apps like Hotstar and stuff. I'll show you that. And back it says that it also has Chromecast functionality, and that, as I've told you, Google Play support for access to 5,000 plus apps, 4K, and you can also use the remote control for as a microphone. It's a Bluetooth. I'll show you. And again, it has Dolby audio and stuff. Let me actually show you the box itself. And in the box, you get this remote, this box itself, a power adapter, and of course you'll also require that Airtel dish antenna, which is going to be connected. But this is the box itself, and as you can see, it says Airtel over here. Here it says Extreme. It actually glows when it's on. I'll show you all that later on. But this is also a physical button. If you really want, you can switch it on and off. And underneath this, when it's switched on, you also get 2 LED LEDs. You have the Android logo, Dolby logo over here. And on this end, you can also add your SD card if you really want. We have another USB port over here, and back here your power will go. You can also attach it via a Ethernet cable physical connection if you really want. But again, I did all my testing over Wi-Fi. It works over Wi-Fi also. Another USB port. This is the HDMI port. Yes, you do get a HDMI cable inside the box. If you have a home theater setup, you can have this optical out if you really want. Again, old style over here, and your dish antenna connection will go over here. So this is the physical overview, and again, as you can see, it's not that big considering the fact that it's a DTH box plus that smart TV box. And this is the remote. This is interesting, I would say, and this works over Bluetooth. So again, you don't have to point it towards the box like this. Anywhere in any direction it works. And if you notice here, you also have a microphone, and you have that Google Assistant button. So if you hold it, you can actually talk to the remote, say commands and stuff. I'll show you all that. So guys, as you can see here, we have connected the Atl Extreme box. It's active, and this is coming via that. And I'm going to control everything via the remote because it's a Bluetooth remote. I don't have to point it like this. And as you can see, it's divided into multiple panes. The first pane is the home. And if you go over here first, because it also has DTH operations, the first pane shows you your favorite channel, what are you watching, what's happening. So it gives you an idea what's happening. For example, let's say the show, how much time is remaining. Again, then you have popular apps that we're using were shown here. Then you have movies and stuff. So this home page actually shows as an overview of everything. But let's say you're more interested in TV channels, what's happening in the DTH, you can go over here, and this gives you a lot more information, and you have access to TV guides, HD specific channels, entertainment, movies, and all those things like that. But again, you don't have to come here because we also have a dedicated guide button in the remote. Once I click that, you get to access all this. For example, you get to know what show is happening and what channel. For example, let's switch to this Star Movies, and this is coming from the DTH via the dish antenna. As you can see, it works fine. Again, let's just hit back this guide button, and let's see what's on HBO. It says Aquaman. So again, it's loading. As you can see, that's Aquaman. I also like the fact that we can control the volume directly from this remote. So you don't have to go to your TV remote for that. So that's a nice thing. So this is the DTH that's coming. And to go back to your regular apps, I'm just going to press home. And this takes you back to this interface. And again, it has movies also, as I have mentioned earlier, access to a lot of movies from various sources. First, it will show you from DTH, so whatever movie is happening, you get an idea and you can quickly access it. Again, from your OTT apps also, it shows what is happening. So you don't have to hunt around, you can just browse here and just click and start watching the movies. Again, as you can see, they have a whole pane over here regarding that. So divided into various categories and stuff. Let's just go back, and again, similar stuff for shows also. If you watch a lot of TV shows, again, the popular ones are divided over here. And let's now go back to the apps and stuff, and here the internet related apps and stuff are over here. For example, the popular one, for example, Netflix is there, it works. I did watch some shows. For example, let's just invoke Netflix, and let me show you it actually works. It's going to load Netflix now, and I'll just access my account, and it takes a couple of seconds to load, as you can see. And I'm just going to switch to my account, and as you can see, we have Netflix. And once you're in the interface, again, it's very fluid. As you can see, everything works very fluidly, so not an issue. And I'm not going to play anything because of copyright stuff, but Netflix works. You don't have to worry about that. And again, if you press home, you come back to this interface. Also, you have Amazon Prime. So again, that's a very popular one. Z5, Alt Balaji, these were preloaded, but I also installed TED and even Hotstar on this because you have complete support for Google Play Store, and I'm just going to invoke that. And with Google Play Store, you have access to almost about 5,000 apps, that is games, apps and stuff. And so you can install, for example, I installed Hotstar from here. So again, you have a big collection of apps, for example, VLC and stuff and all those things. So you have a lot of apps over here, entertainment app, games and stuff, Spotify, Google Music and stuff. So you can install a lot of apps from here. That gives you the versatility. For example, tomorrow some new app comes. If it's a popular one, it will be on Google Play Store and you can install it. So this is the functionality of that, and it works very well. And of course, YouTube is there, and YouTube works. Let me actually show you. Let's go to the YouTube and let's load it. I'll just load my channel because I can play that, but it does play even 4K. I tested that. And for example, let's just search my own channel over here. I'm going to search that, and as you can see, it found my own videos and stuff. Let's just play one of the videos, and I'm just going to play. I've muted the audio.
This is Ranjit, and I'm very happy here to.
As you can see, it's playing. Let's just get back. So guys, this also has Chromecast functionality because it runs over Android 9, and this is my Galaxy Fold smartphone. I'm just going to invoke the YouTube app, and both are on the same Wi-Fi. So as you see, if I tap here, it's playing on my phone, but I can cast it to this television that's connected with Airtel Xstream, and now the playback will start on the television, as you can see. And now you can control it via this. I can just pause it over here, and it will pause over there. As you can see, I can stop it, do whatever you want. So complete Chromecast functionality is also there. Let me just shut this off. And let's again test this Google Assistant functionality, that voice recognition. I'm just going to press it. Play Geekyranjit videos on YouTube. Let's see if it picks that up. It should load YouTube and play our videos. Let's see, it detected that. Yes, as you can see, it loaded YouTube and it started playing my latest YouTube video. So let's just go back. So again, you have that complete Google Assistant functionality. So you don't have to pick up your smartphone for Google Assistant. Just press this button and use the voice command. So in that way, again, as you see, it works very well. So it combines what you get with the DTH and these smart apps or smart app sticks like Fire Stick, whatever. So it's a combination of both. So I know in many of the Indian families we still rely on DTH, but we also want access to these new generation apps like Netflix, Prime Video, Z5, Hotstar and stuff. So this box combines both of them, and I like the fact that with a single remote you can do everything. So again, it's a very good box. So this Airtel Extreme box sells in India for 3,999 rupees. And apart from that, I would say if you're buying a new smart television, you'll spend approximately about 40,000 rupees here in India. But with this Airtel Extreme box, that's priced at just 3,999 rupees. You can make your existing television a smart television with all the apps and DTH functionality. So I feel it's a pretty good deal even if you are having an older television. And apart from that, Airtel also has one more product that's known as the Atl Extreme Stick. This is very similar to this Airtel Extreme box, but in that we don't have the DTH option. Apart from that, if you're already a Airtel subscriber, Airtel has that Airtel Platinum and stuff. You'll get some additional offers and subscriptions free with the Airtel Extreme box. Again, I'll leave the link of Airtel website in the description below. So guys, to sum it up, I would say this is a very good a box. If you're looking at a combination of DTH as well as smart TV apps, and I feel it's a pretty good product. Anyways, what do you guys think about the same? Do let me know in the comment section below. That's it for now. This is Ranjit and I hope to see you in my next video. Take care, guys.